Buddha. Oh! Are you my water baby? Yeah, you love water, huh? Yes, you do, especially when it's warm. Yay! What else can we put in your pool? There's something there. What else? We could do your old pacifier that you never use anymore. Oh, look at this. A bottle. Cool. Check this out, Buddha. Look at that. You're going to have so much fun with this. There. Oh. At the rate you're going, I'm going to have to fill that thing up again, huh? Buddha. What? You haven't sucked on a pacifier since you were a month old. How cute. Buddha, you're crazy. Crazy. You need a refill, Captain B? Good boy. Look at him with his big boy pacifier. Oh, look at him. Oh, he's so handsome. Yeah, he is. What? Oh. Oh, you almost had it. Try again. Oh. You can do it. I have faith. There. Oh, you almost had it. No? You did it. Oh, you did it. Good boy. Okay. I guess you're done, huh? Are you just teething up a storm over here? Oh! Okay, over and out.